The StudPoP magnetic stud finders. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unbox. These are the StudPoP magnetic stud finders. A very inexpensive tool to assist in locating studs on a wall. It can help for hanging pictures, frames, or any construction type projects. They come in 2 versions and multiple colors. The company sent this out for me to review, and I have the link in the description below for the current pricing of the products. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The StudPoP has 2 versions. They have the original with 1 magnet and the on the level, which has 2 magnets and additional tools. These don't require any batteries or calibration and utilize the magnet to locate screws, nails, or metal fasteners behind walls. It's very easy to use. Basically, you use a sweeping motion across the wall until it detects metal behind the wall, and the popper in the middle will raise up to indicate it has located a stud. This is the original StudPoP. The second version is the on the level. It comes with 2 bubble levels and it's 9 inches long. It also has 2 StudPoPs. These will work on sheetrock, plaster, tile, and wood lathe. Wood or metal studs also. Operation is the same as the original, just use a sweeping motion back and forth. Along with the level comes a grip pin. This is used to secure it on the wall and make adjustments. The StudPoP is made in the USA. It's made of a strong ABS plastic. Very simple in design. This is the popper in the middle that will move to the center when a stud is found. On the back, you have the magnet. And you can see the branding all along the side. And it's just a sweeping motion side to side, which I will demonstrate shortly. The on the level version has 2 poppers, also made of ABS plastic. Towards the middle, you have the leveling bubbles. On the back, you can see the magnets on each side. It also comes with a pin to keep the finder on the wall so you can make adjustments with the level. Using the StudPoP is simple. Just place it against the wall and move it across until the popper pops into the center. 24 inch in one direction, then lowering it about 2 inches and going another 24 inches the other. There you see the popper just pop into the center position, indicating that it has found a stud. And there it goes again. Very easy to use. Now using the on the level version. There it goes. Just found a stud. And another one. You can see the strength of the magnets as it stays in place. And you can also use the pin to keep it in place and make adjustments with the level bubbles. I like this bigger version better as you have 2 poppers and it covers more area. The StudPoP. Very inexpensive tool that can help you find studs for various home tasks and projects. It comes in 2 versions and it's very portable and compact. No more dealing with batteries or calibrations. It's simple in design and concept. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unbox. Take care everyone.